welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing this red glittery chocolate eyeshadow look. Now, I was inspired from Instagram. Like, I've been looking at a lot of glittery eyeshadows tutorials on Instagram, and that's what I usually do during the evening, like look for inspo. And I just love watching tutorials off of Instagram. So I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild 40 color eyeshadow palette. It's like my go-to palette now, like my favorite palette to go to. And I'm going to be taking the red, the orange, and the white orange section today because I felt like I haven't really done a few looks with this section of choice in the palette. And I said it's about that time for me to start, using the red some more, since fall is definitely approaching really soon. After that, I just took the orange and I applied the orange right on top of the red to kind of give it that ombre effect. With the orange and the red combining together, it just gives that more of a fiery look. And also with the palette, it has this pretty shimmery light orange, and I just applied it right into the center and focus it really in the center because it's very great. Usually if I would do a cut crease, I would definitely like apply the orange colors and then apply them right next to each other, but today is not a cut crease look, so I did it the other way around, like what you see in the video. Then I'm going to be taking the chocolate brown from the palette itself, and I took it and I applied it in the outer V. And then once I applied the outer V, I just went right back in and retouched up some of the shades that kind of went away. And then I'm going to be going in with the NYX glitter glitter combo. I'm taking the red glitter and also using the NYX glitter glue, and I applied it all over to the face. Not all over to the face, but all over to the eye. This is a pretty glitter. It didn't really, overdo the look. Like, how I got some looks that can be really overdue with glitter. Yes, okay, but it turned out pretty okay. I didn't really know how the effect would be with red glitter because it's very intimidating. And I said, well, maybe if I just go lightly with it, it'll work out. And then it turned out great. Like, I just could not stop staring at it, even though we cannot go out and party. But I am going to go in with the Milani Bold Basics. I'm going to take that shimmer shade, the gold from that palette. You guys, watch this. Now, the Wet n Wild do have a gold, but this gold from the Milani palette is everything. So I kind of messed up where I did take the gold a little bit too far in the beginning of the eyes, but I kind of gradually added it to the crease, and it just made that gorgeous glow. And the brush that I am using is from e.l.f. It's their angle brush to do this method. It was so easy to work with. Oh, it was just so easy to work with. So then after that, I just went back in and I just constantly fixed up, the areas where I see a little bit of harsh lines, so where it can actually look well blended into the look. Next, after that, I applied on some eyelashes, which is LA Colors Dollar eyelashes, and I just applied them to the eyes, to the lashes, and that should complete the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought about it, and I gotta go, and I'll chat with you soon.